Guys, this is Mr. CJH900 and today I'm going to be showing you my bike. Okay, first of all I have a We the People arcade frame with a load of stickers on it. It's a pretty solid frame. Forks are the original ones, the Salt whole front wheel, Salt, the hub Salt, tire is Salt 20-inch. Moving up a bit, handlebars are Salt, stem just normal Salt, headset Salt, grips are Eastern Bikes, brake cable just a straight Salt brake cable. This is my third brake cable. Brake lever Salt as well, pretty tight. Moving back here, I have Animal plastic pedals, red. I have Stolen Mob cranks white, a Gusset sprocket, Gusset Slink half link chain. What else do I have? Hub is Salt. I'll just make the sound. Wheel, Salt, hub Salt. Tire is a Gusset Pimp street tire. Can you see that there? It's a 20-inch by 1.95. Brake pads are see-through Salts. I'm not sure if you can see them right. Seat is a arcade pivotal. Seat post is the Salt seat clamp is Salt as well. What else do we have? A load of stickers as well.